2015 Toyota 4Runner. I'm going to show you how to reset the oil light. Really simple. You're going to turn the key twice to the on position. Don't turn the vehicle on. And then with this little stick here, you're going to push that until you see trip A. And you're going to leave it on trip A. And you're going to shut the key off. Now, when you turn the key, you're going to do it again to the on position, 2 clicks. But while you do that, you're going to hold down this button. Let me do that real quick and then I'll show you what happens. So you're going to hold down this button and then turn the key 2 clicks. So let me do that real quick. And then you're going to see this screen come up and it's resetting the data. You're going to hold down the button until that resets. And then you're good to go. Everything should be gone and your maintenance should be reset.